working on our Java applications, very first thing we do is to install the JDK. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. It is a software that comes with a Java compiler and a JRE. JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment. The JRE in turn has a JVM and it comes with a set of API or libraries that are ready to use. The JVM uses just-in-time compiler to do its work efficiently. We'll learn more about JVM and JIT in the next lecture as well. The Java compiler that comes with the JDK converts the source code we write into bytecode. If you have worked with C or C++, you know that a compiler converts the source code into the machine understandable code or machine code that can be directly understood by the underlying operating system. In case of Windows, it's a exe, and in case of Mac, it's a DMG. But in case of Java, the compiler converts the source code into an intermediate code called bytecode. We will learn the advantage of this intermediate step in the next lecture. For a program to run, it needs an environment. JRE, which stands for Java Runtime Environment, provides that environment for a Java compiled code or bytecode to run. In C and C++, it was the underlying operating system. The runtime environment was provided by the underlying operating system, and the machine code was directly running against the operating system. In case of Java, it's a JRE, which is like a virtual or duplicate operating system, which in turn interprets the bytecode for the underlying operating system. There is an advantage of this additional step. We will see in the next lecture. The API stands for Application Programming Interface. It provides many predefined functions that are ready to use without knowing much background details. For example, if you want to read and write files, you want to create new files or read from existing files on the operating system, you can use the Java IO library. Simply, we as programmer learn the API